All right, we have my gold ring and a silver $50. Can this little metal detector actually find real gold and silver, or is it just a glorified toy? We are going to see it if it's a life keeper or a cart keeper. We're going to put the Dymond pinpointer to the ultimate test. So let's go ahead, unbox this. 3 different colors, orange, green, and black. I got the black one. Okay, little, so I guess, put that over there. Here's a little manual. Nice. Okay, so has an LED flashlight right here. And power switch. This is the pinpoint, battery cover as well. Okay, there we go. Is the battery in here? Okay, battery's in here. It's not turning on. Let's try it again. Maybe I'm not doing something right. Okay. How do you turn this on? So we are gonna make a second video because I feel like I'm not doing something right, or maybe they sent me a defective item. I found out why my pinpointer was not turning on with the battery still covered. Jeez. Maybe I can take it out on a fishing trip while my husband fished and I can join. Oh. Woo! That thing vibrated. Yep, that's real gold. Thank goodness. Let's do a quarter. Hope that ain't real. But the flashlight is on. The DY pointer's vibrator motor also activates when a metallic target has been detected. As the pointer is moved in closer to a metallic target, the rate of pulsing audio and vibrations will increase. That's why. Okay, there we go. That makes sense. Boom. Pretty cool. Okay, now you're going crazy. Oh, I'm putting it at everything.